Welcome to 130 Dotsuwa Court, located in the mountain paradise of Connestee Falls, just outside of Brevard, North Carolina. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath home sits on a private and level wooded lot and features the quintessential mountain home feel with a 1-level living floor plan. Let's take a look. The living room and kitchen were designed with 16-foot coffered ceilings and rustic wood detail, giving this home a spacious mountain lodge feel. The kitchen features a large center island, high-end appliances, beautiful granite countertops, and ample storage. The living room flows out onto the screen porch and overlooks a small stream and a private Zen garden. This layout provides a seamless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. With 3 bedrooms and 2 baths on the main floor, this home was designed for 1-level living at its best. A flat driveway and very few steps make for easy access, and the main level floor plan contemplates all the essentials of daily life. Above the garage, you'll find a large bedroom that serves as a suite for guests or a great hobby or media room. One of my favorite features of this property is the over 1.3 acres of total privacy created by the combination of 3 lots. This large lot, combined with the 14 acres of Connestee Falls Green space behind, create a secluded paradise with an ever-changing landscape with the seasons. The flowing stream passes by the Zen garden, and the home features extensive landscaping and hardscape, making this home's outdoor areas just as exciting as the interior spaces. As an owner in Connestee, you also have access to 6 waterfalls, 4 lakes totaling over 230 acres of lake frontage, an 18-hole designer golf course, pickleball, tennis, pool facilities, and multiple top-notch food and beverage options. If you're looking for privacy, high-end mountain design, and easy living, make an appointment today to see what your life could look like in Connestee Falls.